I wasn't always so comfortable with my car. When my brakes were squeaking, you know, you turn up the radio.
I am the fourth generation to take ownership of my family's auto repair shop in Flushing, Queens, New York. And I do these workshops. We take away auto anxiety and we empower people.
When I first met Audra, the economy was dumping. You know, I was a single mom trying to make ends meet. There was no time to have had car issues for me. I couldn't afford it. You know, it's hard enough to go through a divorce and keeping a positive attitude for my kid and all the kids that were around me. Not wanting to always have to say no to something. That was the hardest part.
I heard Michelle's story, and she needed help. She also needed brakes. Like, I heard her brakes. I offered her to come to the shop, not to worry about paying for it, but I just like to help. Suspension, bump, 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 does that. And I invited her to a workshop, and she took me up on the offer.
See, that's my mechanic. She fixed my car, and she said, you know, I have this program, it's Women Ought to Know, and she said it really is for women just like yourself.
Having a woman open the hood, checking the battery, checking your fluids, it's magical.
Okay, we're gonna check the oil.
It's watching somebody take control of their life through their automobile.
You just wanna wipe it clean.
When you felt helpless, and all of a sudden you're like, huh, I got this.
I don't know if you can all see.
We invite everybody to the workshops, and they invite their friends, and they are able to touch things and hands-on.
Beautiful.
Once somebody does it and they see for themselves how easy it is, it's nothing but feeling good.
We just checked our own oil.
Then that is your vehicle communicating to you to let you know that something does need your attention. Is it red, yellow, or green? It's gonna determine what move you make.
Audra makes them be hands-on and not to be intimidated by it. You know, the first time I changed my own window wiper was big for me.
My mom never did this, so.
Look at you empowering.
So I just did.
Yeah.
It's socializing, supporting each other, laughing, learning. And Audra never made me feel ashamed of my situation or bad for what it was. She just encouraged me, and this is why she started Women Ought to Know, to empower, to educate, to help.